everybody, it's your girl Julie V. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first reviews type of video slash get ready with me slash tutorial, I guess you can say. I did go to Sephora, my absolute favorite store in the world, and I bought myself a lot of makeup. Probably more than what I should have. Promise no eyeshadows, because I've been getting tons of eyeshadow palettes online and getting them mailed. So this is just face makeup. And specifically Fenty Beauty. I had not tried it before, and I pretty much got everything with the exception of some things. No, I got the setting, the priming mist slash setting spray. This is called the What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. I already put it on because I started recording, or I thought I started recording, and I put this on plus the primer, and then noticed that my camera was not recording. So yes, I've already put this on. This is absolutely bomb. Like it's really, really good. Very refreshing, as the name. Ow, sorry. I did go ahead and I put the primer on again, like I said, while I was recording. This one is called the True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. So it looks like this. Ooh, that's like, can you see that? No. My light is flickering. Okay, now we are on to foundation. So the foundation color that I got was 185, which is supposed to be let me see if I can see it, soft matte warm, I think, warm neutral, or just neutral, I think it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand, like that. Grab my beauty blender and then start tapping the foundation on my face. I don't know about you, but I usually apply my foundation to half of my face first, and then I go into the other side. What are your routines? Like, how do you put your foundation on first? Like, do you do your forehead first? Do you do your chin area? Do you do your cheeks first? Like, how do you prioritize what you do first? I really like this. Definitely full coverage. I mean, I think you can see from one side of my face to the other side of my face, right? It has taken away all the redness, and it looks very, very neutral. I'm wondering if the 190 would have been better, because it's a little bit more on the warm side. Because my face usually, sometimes, even though it looks very pale, it can tend to go pinkish sometimes, and then other times it goes very yellow. So I always tend to grab the neutral colors so that it'll work towards either of those. Grabbing some more. So I ended up getting the same color in the concealer in 185. So pretty much bought the set. And then I'm gonna grab some and eye. Looks like it's gotta be full coverage, which is good because that's what I like. My eye is itching. Why is my eye itching? Like right here. Use the brush to scratch it out a little bit. Okay. Then right here. Hello, hi. I don't know if I like this setup. It's super bright. Maybe if I do that. Does that look better? That looks a little better. All right, I'm gonna keep it like that. So, grabbing the blender, the beauty blender, and tapping it in, and then blending it while I'm tapping. We're gonna go in with the Butter Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Ooh, oh, you have my fingerprints on that? That's messed up. But I do like the packaging. It's a good size product, but it also has the nice detail that it's not just square or round. It's like kind of like an octagon type. Yeah. So what I like to do usually is that I like to shake it onto the cover to get some product. So what am I going to do? Grab my flat stippling brush, grab some, tap some off, and just ooh, that one made me cough. Just make sure that you put it where you need to set your foundation. Honestly, I would have liked that they would have had a pressed powder, but that's just me because that's my preference. But it's fine. We can use this one. So facial wise, it is very nice. I like it. I did not get the cream blush because I absolutely hate cream blushes. So I like powder base and liquid base. So because the blush was cream based, I did not buy it. Same thing with their, I think it was their contour or bronzer or something like that. So what that means is that I'm gonna use a new product that I bought. And this was actually, so it's the Hoola Benefit Bronzer from Benefit. I just said that, right? Didn't I just say that? So it's that one. And it comes with this little brush. And I got it in a, I guess it was like a, I don't even know what you call it. It was kind of like a bundle tin. So you get the Hoola, which is full size. Then you have a full size Durareal mascara, which is one of my favorites. You also got the Professional Pore Primer. And then you got the Gimme Brow, which is a full size as well. I didn't even notice if they gave me the correct shade. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that came into this, in this little can, and it's called the Bring Your Own Beauty. It's very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 3 out of the 4 products from there because I already primed my face, so there's no need to use this one. This one will just go into my pore drawer. With this brush. So I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not. First time I'm actually using the Hoola bronzer. Like people, like some of you may know, I just recently started getting into bronzing myself because you can see how white I am. But it never came out well when I would do it. So let's go with this one, which is a cherry bomb. Grab yourself your blending. It's so funny. It's like you go to the store, you forget what you buy, right? I totally had a bunch of stuff that I bought from TJ Maxx and Marshall as far as like Japanese brushes that I wanted to use in this tutorial, and I forgot because it's in a bag and I didn't see it. So now I'm gonna use my old blush because that's what is in my hand. But I will share with you what I bought. I'll do another video after this one, like a haul video I guess, where I'll share pretty much everything that I've bought these past weeks. So I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder with a fluffy brush, and then kind of just diffuse all of this. So the Color of Grace, that one. Let's see. The last thing that I haven't used in this video, well, I'm going to be using the what is it called? Sorry. It's called the Stunna Lip Paint. Stunna Lip Paint. And this one's in Uncensored, so it's the red one. So I'm going to get my ColourPop big box of lippy pencils from ColourPop and choose a red color, which I think will be this one. And this is in Rosy. I don't want to call it Rosy because it looks red. And just line your lips. Your lips go in with the lip paint. And do you see the way that this brush is? Very different. Okay, much better. Ooh, I don't know. It's beautiful. The color is beautiful. The only thing is, like, I feel like the consistency is it's not watery. It's a thinner consistency than your normal, you know, lip. Sorry. Do you see how that one has it has the product right there? This one right here, it's trippy because it's very liquidy, you know, so it runs. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. It runs, so you got to be careful as far as how much you put, because you don't want to put it on and then it's just like, because that's what happened. Because I started and then I had to take it all off because it just didn't look good. Obviously you didn't see that because I edited it. But yes, it's other than that, the color is very pretty. I really do like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Benefits Gimme Brow. My lips taste a little dry. I know it's matte, but some other matte ones are not the same. Okay, lastly but not least, mascara. This video is way too long. I need to edit. So this is the Benefits They're Real mascara. So what I like to do is, as I drag the wand up from the base of my lashes, I also like to wiggle to get more product, but I also like to rotate. Oh, I got a little bit right there. I like to rotate the wand too, so I get maximum product on my lashes. So let that dry so I can clean that up. But then when I'm done on that side, I go on the inner side and do the same thing. There you go. You can see the difference. Look at that. I gotta clean it up. Don't worry about it. But look, no lash. So there you go. You have a full face of Fenty products, with the exception of the blush and the bronzer and what else? Mascara. Yes. Other than that, everything else is Fenty. So let's finish up the look with the setting spray. Perfect. Okay. Oh, sorry. Tell me what you think. I absolutely love this. Love these products. I feel like if once I run out of it, which will be in a very long time, but once I run out of it, I will definitely buy it again. But yes, I definitely love this one, and the color definitely matches with my skin. So I think I did a good job in matching. But yes, if you liked it, if you want to see more things like this, more videos like this, please like the video, give it a 2 thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe so that you see all my new videos. All right, you guys, love you mucho. What was that? Let's go. Bye. All right, bye. Take care, everybody.